I'd like to welcome everybody here this morning to another great Gairdner event. My name's Janet Rossand. I'm the President and Scientific Director of the Gairdner Foundation. And welcome to our new space and the long-awaited secret announcement, everything that we've been keeping under wraps, the announcement of the 2017 Canada Gairdner Award laureates. And I promise you we have the right names in the envelopes. It's great to see so many of Gairdner Foundation's friends, old and new, here in our new expanded location at the Toronto Reference Library, courtesy of our sponsor, TELUS Health. Thank you so very much. A couple of special welcomes. A special welcome to Minister Raisa Maridi, Ontario Minister of Research, Innovation and Science. From the Gairdner Board of Directors, Gary Goldberg, and of course, Gairdner President Emeritus, Dr. John Dirks. Thank you all for being here so early in the morning. And thank you, those of you who are joining us live on our webcast around the world. Thanks for tuning in. I welcome everybody to do a little tweeting. You're absolutely free to tweet whatever you want. Tweet the exciting results using the hashtag Gairdner or through our handle @Gairdner Awards. So each year, the Gairdner Foundation receives nominations from all corners of the world for our 5 Canada Gairdner International Awards, our John Dirks Canada Gairdner Global Health Award, and our Canada Gairdner Whiteman Award. Our adjudication committees work diligently to really define the foundational discoveries in the different fields of biomedical research and to identify, importantly, the right researchers, those who have really made those discoveries and did the fundamental work. And as ever, at the end of the process, we end up with a list that exemplifies scientific excellence and impact. And this year's laureates are no exception. It's an amazing group of scientists with work that spans the full gamut from basic science through to its clinical applications. And I think really are a true reflection of what Gairdner's all about, recognizing research that's had an extraordinary impact on human life. Anyway, before we get to the big reveal, I'm keeping it going here, I'd like to take a moment to introduce and thank our sponsors. So first of all, I'd like to thank the Ministry of Research, Innovation and Science and the Government of Ontario. They've been long major supporters and friends of Gairdner. The Government of Ontario supports our national and student outreach programs and symposia across the province, which provides Ontarians, scientists, the public and students with the opportunity to learn from the best scientists in the world. And through its investment in the Gairdner Foundation, the Government of Ontario is helping inspire the next generation of researchers to make discoveries as meaningful as the ones we're going to be celebrating today. So our friend, the Honourable Raisa Maridi, the Minister of Research and Innovation, is with us again this morning to share a few words about our partnership and its impact. Thank you.
Well, thank you very much, Janet, for that very kind introduction. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's truly a great pleasure to be here this morning. And I have to say that I look forward to the Gairdner Foundation's awards each year because they provide a window into some of the world's most significant research that will continue to advance and gain recognition, perhaps even a Nobel Prize, and ultimately research that will save human lives. For these reasons and the many others, the Government of Ontario is proud to continue to support the Gairdner Foundation over the years. As the Minister of Research, Innovation and Science for Ontario, I am grateful for the strong leadership of Ontario's life sciences sector. The fight against diseases is an enormous challenge, but your perseverance has led to revolutionary discoveries that advances critical life-changing research. In Ontario, to name just a few examples, we have seen the identification of genes for cystic fibrosis, the development of the external cardiac pacemaker, which I saw the one actually at the Ontario Science Centre. If you haven't seen it, I suggest you to visit Ontario Science Centre. It's a box of this size. And of course, the discovery of insulin and stem cell, which happened in our city of Toronto. We are fortunate to have a strong, thriving, and global life sciences sector in our province. Ontario, as you know, is home to some of the world's best hospitals, universities, research institutions, researchers, developers, as well as manufacturers. And Ontario's life sciences sector is an important economic driver as well, generating an impressive $38 billion in revenue every year and $8 billion in export from our country and our province. As part of Ontario's innovation agenda, our government will continue to champion a strong innovation-based life sciences sector. We rely on great partners like the Gairdner Foundation to help us out. Over the years, the foundation has recognized more than 350 researchers for their innovative work through the Canada Gairdner Awards. From the earliest awards that recognized advancements in the treatment of hypertension to the groundbreaking HIV research and the gene editing system, CRISPR, recognized last year, Gairdner winners have made immeasurable contributions to science and indeed to the world. And as you know, 84 of the Gairdner awardees, they went on to receive a Nobel Prize, and they came from 15 countries. So it's truly an international award. Ladies and gentlemen, I am honored to be joining you here today as we celebrate and recognize this year's recipients. These 7 researchers are making a difference, not just here in Canada, but around the world. They are passionate about their work and committed to finding breakthroughs that will make a real difference in 7 billion people's lives. Thank you to all of the Gairdner Award recipients for working tirelessly towards discoveries that will save lives and for being role models for students across our country, Canada, and for inspiring the next generation of researchers and scientists. So congratulations, thank you very much, merci beaucoup, and miigwech. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Minister Moridi. It really is great to see you here and support. You're always a great supporter of everything we do. So thank you on behalf of Gairdner, but also on behalf of all the scientists across Ontario for your ongoing support of research in this province. So I'd like to now move on to thank TELUS Health. So TELUS Health is the presenting sponsor of our announcement today and allowed us to take up this new big space, which I hope you're all enjoying. And TELUS has been a major and valued partner of Gairdner. So thanks so much to the TELUS Health team for making today's event possible. And with their help, we aim to really truly increase the caliber of scientific conversation and the strength of our scientific community by promoting the importance of science in our society. And we're fortunate today to have Dr. Elaine Chin, TELUS Chief Wellness Officer, with us this morning to say a few words. So Elaine joined TELUS in 2014, and she's a pioneer and trailblazer of preventive healthcare model in Canada. It's her mission to empower individuals to use tools and resources available to them to self-manage their health habits and achieve peak performance in life and work. So I hope you're all self-managing yourselves well this morning and your health habits are in good shape. In her role, Elaine's clinical expertise is used to help inform the TELUS's health team efforts to identify, develop, pilot, roll out, and support new services that will help Canadians live healthier lives. Elaine.
Good morning, and thank you, Janet, for this introduction. And I'm honored to be here celebrating the 2017 Canada Gairdner Award laureates. And I was last night looking at my speech and realized that this is my 10th year attending these awards. Time flies. And so today I am thrilled that TELUS is proud to support the incredible work that the Gairdner Foundation and their role in celebrating excellence and inspiring the next generation of scientific leaders. So the Foundation's strong focus on innovation and their commitment to building future thinkers is well aligned with our own values at TELUS, where we have the courage to innovate and a passion for growth. So more than a decade ago, TELUS made a defining decision to leverage our technology to tackle the #1 social challenge of our lifetime: healthcare efficiency and effectiveness. So since then, TELUS has invested more than $1.6 billion to bring patient-centered solutions to market that improve the flow of patient information across the continuum of care. So today, 1,700 TELUS Health team members, including doctors, nurses, pharmacists, and other healthcare professionals, are delivering our strategy to be a leader in the healthcare continuum. So I urge you to please take a moment to browse through the brochure that's in front of you today to learn more about TELUS Health and our participation in your lives. So through solutions such as electronic medical and health records, home health monitoring, and pharmacy management solutions, we are driving a shift from remediation to the prevention of disease by empowering Canadians, that's all of you, to better manage your own health through access to health information and technologies. So as an organization, TELUS is deeply committed to improving the lives of Canadians and our communities. We are proud to share this commitment with our friends, the Gairdner Foundation, and strongly believe that through our collective efforts, we will be able to create a friendly future for all citizens and deliver remarkable health outcomes. So once again, on behalf of the entire TELUS Health team who are here today and abroad and across the country, my sincere congratulations to today's outstanding award laureates. Have a wonderful morning.
Thank you, Elaine. And then just before we start, are you getting really nervous now? One last thank you, and it's a very important thank you, and it is a thank you to the Government of Canada, who through CIHR really support Gairdner as our foundational partner. And their commitment to our programming from coast to coast gives students, trainees, faculty members, and the public access to the Gairdner science. So it really is incredibly important, their support. And CIHR has long been a supporter and a friend of the Gairdner Foundation.